Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you something colorful, creative and close to my heart, Lippon Art. Lippon Art is all about precision, patience and patterns for today design. I am using acrylic paints and some tools for making this art piece. We begin with the base layer by making the clay ropes and placing the clay ropes according to the design. Now first coat we apply is of white paint which provide a base for the next coloring layer. We are using the monochrome shades of black for this art piece by mixing it with white paint to create different shades of black color. I love how these shades complement each other. Now we color the outer lining with the golden paint. I love how these shades complement each other. The shades look really nice, like it's a monochrome shade we are painting.
Some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers.
Halfway through, the design is really coming to the life. Now we use different type of mirror to complete this beautiful art piece by pasting it with the glue. We are using different shapes of mirror like round, moon shape, half moon. Here we are making patterns with different types of mirror, like it's a leaf pattern. Hope you are enjoying this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Lippon art and creative inspirations. Now here it is, the final piece. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.